The Deputy Prime Minister, Senator Dlamini, says the government of the Kingdom of Swaziland has partnered with Swazi Post in delivering the elderly grant. The Deputy Prime Minister was speaking at the Sibane Hotel, where he met portfolio committee members of both houses of parliament. Here's a detailed report.
Following the success of a pilot project by the Deputy Prime Minister's office to use the post office in paying the elderly grants, the Deputy Prime Minister has said elderly grants will be paid through the post offices in the country.
It is therefore my humble pleasure to officially announce that the post office shall be disbursing social grants to the elderly starting on the 7th November 2016 and ending on the 25th of November 2016. The elderly will be paid for the quarter ending on the 30th September 2016. Since the elderly will be paid monthly, another payment cycle for the months of October, November and December will commence on the 5th of December 2016, ending on the 23rd December 2016. This arrangement will allow the elderly to enjoy their festive season, having received their grants.
The first day of payment is the 7th of November, and all post offices in the country will be opened. Mbongwa Ngumalo with Linton Gule for Swazi TV News.